welcome to Brainwaves and Banter, another episode of Brainwaves and Banter. So, we are here to talk about self love, which is rarely talked about. So, let's get started.
Yeah, hello. Today's episode is about self love, and so I have a question for you, Pranita. So, in a world like today, like we know where we come across situations where people expect a lot from you, but they might not reciprocate the same or things like that. There's several examples. Don't like we don't have to like get into the detail of their behavior. Maybe we'll just talk about the more positive side of self-love today. So my question is, in a world like today, do you think it's important to prioritize ourselves first, and to keep ourselves ahead? Like, no, like Nico Gurtunde, like how we were brought up, or how like mana older generation, like mana mundu generation ella undedi ante they used to put everyone else before themselves, and they used to satisfy everyone else, and they give themselves least priority kada. So నీకు like tell me if it's important ఇది and అది ఎలా కన్వే చేస్తావు, like how do you make it more convincing that it is important to put ourselves first, if that's what you're going to
Yeah.
agree on?
Two things which come to my mind. That is how we were brought up to. Like, first, like, no, rather than you doing things for yourself, if someone asks you, you give preference to that when compared to you doing it for yourself. So I think I've read one quote which says, talk to yourself like how you talk to the person you love. It makes sense then. So it's just that sometimes probably I just want to do the same thing which my friend wants to, but I will start procrastinating. Like, okay, let's do it tomorrow or day after. It's not needed right now and stuff like that. But when someone comes and asks us, we immediately jump on to doing that. Oh, okay, they've asked me. Let me get done with this and stuff like that. So then I realized, because there were times when I went back and thought, why did I just do that for myself when I needed it? Yeah. And then see what happens. What I observed is, we think about it. We'll go back home or wherever. We think that I should have done it for myself and stuff like that. But we never implement, or we never give it a thought again until and unless it happens again. You don't put you don't put any action into it. So that was actually surprising today when we are going to when we thought of talking about self-love, because we do have thoughts. We never think of giving a definition to it until and unless it sits on our head and becomes the major problem in our life. That is when we start thinking about it. So yeah.
Yeah, I think I agree. ఎలా అంటే like what you tried saying is, మనకు ఒక చెయ్యాలని ఉంటుంది, but we'll just you know like we won't do it immediately, as immediately as how people come and ask us to do the same thing, and we are like, yeah, I'm always available. So that availability is like always available అన్న ఇది కూడా మనం కన్వే చేస్తాం. I think I understand that. Yeah, but నాకు ఒకటి ఏమనిపించింది అంటే, so when you don't realize the value of yourself, when you don't realize the importance of yourself, it's very difficult to portray yourself as an individual, like as an independent individual, be it like emotionally or mental ga kuda. Like if you go and introduce yourself, neekoka aura, like neekoka like your personality, like if you meet a very new person for the first time, నువ్వు ఏం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తావు, like the behavior or వాళ్ళ vibe and all కదా. So I feel like when you love yourself more, that vibe is totally different from when you're filled with self-doubt, when you're filled with inferiority complex and all, feeling different ఉంటుంది అనిపిస్తుంది.
Yeah. So yeah, very true. One thing is self-love is not that you should be self-sufficient and depend on yourself 100% అని కాదు. That there will be few situations where we'll get this cringe that what did I do, or we feel that oh I've done a mistake or something like that. Moments like that defines your self-love. It's just that two things: forgive yourself and move ahead, accepting it. Like just I first two terms which come to my mind about self-love is just acceptance and forgiveness, because once you start doing that for yourself, you won't seek acceptance from others. Like first because you'll be content within yourself, you'll be happy with yourself, and that's how you, and that basically it also shows how you are in front of other people too. Like if you're constantly, you have this fight in your mind that I am not good enough, then if you're in a group of people, that comes out the same way. Like you keep adjusting, you won't have your own thought, and once you understand who you are and say yes, I am like this, I am happy with myself, and that's how you portray yourself too. So I think that means a lot.
Yeah, I agree with it. I feel like what's in your mind reflects on your face. So what's in your mind and heart reflects on your face. So if you're happy, it reflects on your face. If you're sad, if you're thinking, if you're like anxious about something, it reflects on your face, and it also changes the behavior in which you're addressing things or talking to people. So నాకు personally, I believe that self-love is different from self-development. ఎందుకు తెలుసా? సెల్ఫ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అంటే ఏంటి? లైక్ యూ వాంట్ టు మేక్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ బెటర్ అట్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇన్ జనరల్. బట్ సెల్ఫ్ లవ్ అంటే ఏంటి? లైక్ ఇట్స్ లైక్ యాక్సెప్టింగ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఫర్ హూ యూ ఆర్, right? Because you know, like ఇప్పుడు 25 or 30 years of your life, you have developed a trait within you, and that's what defines you. So you what you do is you try to accept it, and then after acceptance is when you can try to change it, mold it, or do whatever it is, right? But if you're not accepting the fact that you are this person, I don't think there's like no like going ahead with that thought. Like you're stuck there. So I feel like acceptance of like who you are as an individual is the first step to actually accepting yourself, and akkadi nunchi start avutundi. So I think akkadi nunchi you can like analyze the trends, and you can, so okate em telusa, it's like preserving your own peace kada. So you know who, what kind of things, what kind of people, what kind of surroundings actually help you preserve your peace and be in your own zone. But if you feel like something is draining out your energy gurinchi chala episodes lo maatladam, but it's what makes like a person who you are kada. So I think ivanni identify cheste, that will help you create your own safe space, and that's nothing but your happy place, and that's nothing but self-love is what I feel.
100%.
Rasko prayata.
But yeah, like 100%, whatever you told. Another thing I would like to add is to initially, if you don't recognize, like if you don't accept or whatever, you start adjusting more to other people because you don't have confidence in yourself. So I've observed one thing, like now I am content within myself. I'm okay, this happened, let it go, make sure it won't happen again. Unconsciously you set boundaries around you,
Yeah.
like domestic boundaries, like why do we have to adjust so much for this person? So or not exactly, let it be a friend, a parent, or no matter what, because we grew up, like at least in our house, we grew up thinking your priorities will come after the others' priorities. Like first,
like respect elders and do what they say first, so you don't have a say in it until and unless you complete the task. Ante oka cheyali ante you prioritize them over yourself.
Probably we will have a say in it. Can you first get this done, and then you get whatever you want, or do whatever you want, feel like it's something like that. So I think it's
But that I think there needs to be a boundary. ఎందుకు అంటే there you're learning, they're trying to teach you the fact that you have to respect elders. కానీ ఒక బౌండరీ ఎట్లా సెట్ చేయాలి అంటే పుట్టింగ్ ఆల్వేస్ అదర్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ పీపుల్ హు ఆర్ ఓల్డర్ టు యూ ఫస్ట్ ఇస్ నాట్ రెస్పెక్టింగ్ ఆల్ ద టైమ్ కాదు, లైక్ ఎవ్రీ సిచ్యువేషన్లో అది కాదు కదా. సో యూ నీడ్ టు be able to differentiate between ఏది like who is important now, because be it elders, be it the ones younger to you, whoever it is, you have to be able to analyze the situation and think like yourself to who, like when you first petali, like who's going to come first. So adi I think that the respecting elders to paatu idi kuda teach chesi unte or alvat chesi unte, because it's a habit that develops kada with years, with age. So I think appudu there'll be a balance of both and a feeling.
That's what I want to emphasize on. So self-love is not just focusing on yourself, do your things first, like prioritize yourself, inkevaru ni mundu raagordu, adi kaadu. At times things change. It is just like, again, problem.
Boundaries and
Just accepting, like first when you are happy from inside, then you'll have time and you'll know your limitations of adjustment, you'll know the limitations of giving, like you'll know how much to give others.
Yeah, I think నువ్వు చెప్పింది కరెక్ట్. ఎలా అంటే సెల్ఫ్ లవ్ ఇస్ యాక్సెప్టెన్స్, సెట్టింగ్ బౌండరీస్, ఫీలింగ్ హ్యాపీ విత్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఫస్ట్, యాక్సెప్టింగ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఫస్ట్. కానీ సో మెనీ పీపుల్ మిస్అండర్స్టాండ్ కొన్నిసార్లు ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ సెల్ఫ్ లవ్ ఏంటి అంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు లైక్ లెట్ అదర్స్ డౌన్ ఫర్ యూ టు బీ హ్యాపీ. You know, you have to be selfish, you have to like ela chepali, so you don't care even if the people around you are not happy, but you're happy, so that's self love. That's so wrong, that's wrong in so many ways anta enduku ante when it comes to self love, the name itself defines it, right? So it's about yourself, it's about how you perceive yourself. So end of story. It doesn't involve other people around you, letting them down, trying to push them away. No, that's all secondary, and that's all in your mind, how you deal with people. So I think it's very important to mention the fact that
it's exactly that. If the opposite person does something, we accept and forgive it pretty quickly than we accept and forgive ourselves if we do the same thing. Yeah. So no second or third person ki iche preference, why not give it to yourself and make peace with it annattu ante.
Do you think self love also, ఇప్పుడు మనం మాట్లాడడం, బట్ ఇది విన్నంత మాత్రాన ఎవరికి ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ లేదు ఐ హావ్ టు లవ్ మై సెల్ఫ్ ఫస్ట్ అన్న థాట్ వస్తుంది అని. I strongly believe that experiences, mold you into the person you are with age. So do you think it's something that comes with experience, like self-love and a thought, like you have to put yourself first in a thought?
A thought will it comes with experience for sure. That's how it starts. But one thing which I have observed is I talk about it, I think about it, I think I should change it or implement it. Like, unless there's another situation where I question it and this is what it is. So like people realize it. I'm telling you, a lot of people realize that
they just don't know where to get started, I feel.
Yeah, and then they get on with their lives again. Oh yeah, this is it. Probably I won't do it again. But they just get on with their life. But again, when the same situation occurs, sometimes there'll be a pinch of your heart telling that you should have started prioritizing yourself long before this, because this already happened and something like that.
People learn it the hard way. A few people just learn it the hard way.
I am one of them.
No, I'm a strong believer of people learning things or changing the way they are for good based on experiences. I'm a strong believer of that, because it's true that mummy వాళ్ళు లైక్ పెద్దవాళ్ళు ఇన్ జనరల్ ఇంట్లో అనేవాళ్ళు గుర్తుందా, లైక్ నేను చెప్పినంత మాత్రం నువ్వేం మారవు అని, విచ్ ఇస్ సో ట్రూ. బికాస్ ఎవరో చెప్తే మారడం ఇస్ I don't believe in that because కొన్ని like చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ లైక్ ఇది చెయ్యకు దెబ్బ తగులుతుంది అన్న వరకు ఓకే, కానీ పెద్ద పెద్ద డెసిషన్స్ ఇన్ లైఫ్ వెన్ యూ టేక్ ఇట్ నువ్వు ఎవరిది వినవు, లైక్ నీకు ఏం చేయాలనిపిస్తే చేస్తావు మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టైమ్. సో అలాంటప్పుడు ఇఫ్ ఇట్ గోస్ వెల్ good, but if it doesn't, like no experience stays in that nunchi you changes what. So నాకు అనిపిస్తుంది I do believe in the challenges that come with self love, because initial ga like when we start to prioritize ourselves, I feel like there is a lot of societal pressure. The society is nothing but the people you hang out with daily or for your friends, family, etc. Suddenly I feel like they see you as the selfish person where identi adi monnati varaku she or he was like very available to us, like ఏం అడిగినా కూడా we knew for a fact that if we reach out to them పని అయిపోతుంది లైట్ అన్నట్టు ఉండేది. Like how, like what happened all of a sudden, like do you think that's true, like when you start prioritizing yourself you also lose a lot of people around you?
That happened to me. So when you meet new people, you give them extra space or extra importance, and then after a while, after a few months, you'll be like, because it's like you'll take it till a point, there'll be a saturation point. So beyond that, some like after 6 months, when you feel like, oh, this is enough, I can't go beyond it, and when you stop doing stuff, I've heard, like I had someone question me saying that you didn't have a problem in doing this from the past 6 months.
Before,
Yeah. What happened to you now? And like I realized I'm not this person, or I can't continue this. What else?
What's the energy you're putting in?
I can't go beyond this. So that's when I understood it. Like that's when I also started learning that probably in the beginning stage we should not give up 100%, because it's not their wrong, it's not wrong on their side that they are expecting. They're only expecting because we're giving so much. So if you don't do that initially and don't put it all out for them, then that's how the expectations also will match what we will be able to give. So
true. So I also feel like the ripple effect in self-love. So indaka cheppinattu, like the way, like when you start prioritizing yourself, putting yourself, understanding yourself, like you show it to the people kada, in the way, behavior, or like the way you talk, or the expressions on your face, whatever it is. And I feel like people who want to take that from you, like that trait from you, will definitely try to. Or I also feel like that will give a path, like it will create a path for people to actually reach out to you and express things, and that's also good. But in a way you're not like depleting your resources or nee space em akkada nu everki share cheyatledu, but people are trying to reach out to you and you're helping them out, like how to get better, or like what's helping you that can help them too. So I think as a ripple effect on a feeling, and it's always good to understand yourself before trying to decode someone else.
I think most of us will try to work for we'll try to
deal what's happening around us, around other people,
like we do it for other people basically, and then we do it for ourselves afterwards. But yeah,
so yeah, I think ఈ కాన్వర్సేషన్ నాకు అర్థమైంది ఏంటి అంటే సెల్ఫ్ లవ్ ఇస్ లైక్ అన్ ఆన్ గోయింగ్ జర్నీ. లైక్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ నువ్వు 6 months ఫాలో అవ్వు, యుల్ మాస్టర్ ఇట్ లాగా ఏమి ఉండదని నా ఫీలింగ్, బికాస్ you keep changing as a person every moment, right? Like throughout the years. So I feel like it's an ongoing journey where you try to accept yourself for whoever you are, whoever you're trying to be. So yeah, I think it's a very good thing to understand oneself. ఇవాళ చాలా ఒక జోన్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయి ఫుల్ ఫిలాసఫికల్గా మాట్లాడా, బట్ ఐ థింక్ దట్స్ ఆల్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ ఫర్ టుడే.
Okay, I really had good time having this conversation with you, because sometimes it would, like, we rarely put that out of our mouth, like we think this within ourselves, but we rarely talk it out. So it was fun doing this, and thanks for watching Brainwaves and Banter, and please like, share and subscribe.
Thank you.